If your AnyDesk session keeps timing out or you're running into the AnyDesk timer problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try on Windows. This is a quick method that helps refresh AnyDesk's local configuration, and in many cases, it can solve timer-related issues without wasting your time. If this video helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to close AnyDesk completely. This part is important because if the app is still running in the background, the changes you make may not work properly. Open AnyDesk, then look down at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If you see the AnyDesk icon there, right-click it and choose Quit. After that, wait a few seconds and make sure AnyDesk is fully closed before moving to the next step. Now that AnyDesk is completely shut down, we'll open the AnyDesk data folder. On your keyboard, press Windows +R to bring up the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type %ProgramData \AnyDesk and then press Enter. This will take you straight to the folder where AnyDesk stores important configuration files on your computer. Once the folder opens, look for the configuration files named service.conf and system.conf. These files can sometimes be connected to the timer issue or other AnyDesk behavior problems, so we want to remove them carefully. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct folder and that you can see the right files before deleting anything. Next, right-click on the file or files you found and select Delete. If Windows asks you to confirm, go ahead and allow the deletion. Again, make sure AnyDesk is closed before doing this because the app may recreate or lock the file if it's still active. After deleting the file, the last step is to restart AnyDesk. Open the program again normally and let it load fresh. In many cases, AnyDesk will rebuild the needed settings automatically, which can clear the timer problem and help the app run properly again. If the issue is still there, double-check that you deleted the correct configuration files and that AnyDesk was completely closed before you started. Sometimes a simple restart of the computer can also help apply the changes. That's it. You've now learned how to solve the AnyDesk timer problem using a quick configuration reset method. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.